Top nut, 17mm socket. Take the washer nut out of the way. You can take that bushing out. And then the bottom mounting nut is a 17mm socket. So I just took a pry bar and I pried it out from the bracket. Make sure you remove the shipping plastic. That protects the boot from getting ripped. And then I'm going to take the top off. Let's put the top in first. Maybe we can manipulate this in easier. So bushing, then middle washer, then lock nut. Has a Teflon threading lock on it. And then maybe I can manipulate this, get it lined up. Perfect. Start a couple of threads. Now we'll tighten this all up. So now we're going to tighten up the sway bar link, 60mm socket. I'm just going to snug them down, then I'm going to torque them. So you could try to torque this if there's a torque spec, but you got to be realistic about it. You're going to keep screwing, you're going to screw it down. You're going to keep tightening this down, and it's going to make these bushings this big, like a sandwich. So the proper way to do it is tighten this up until you just start to see them bow out from the washer. And now I'm going to leave it at that. The bottom one says 27 foot-pounds, so we're going to do it that way. See how it feels. Torque specs is 85 to 110 foot-pounds. We're going to do it at 100. And do it in a crisscross pattern.